Replacing the key fob battery in a 2011-2018 Volvo V60 is a simple process. First, gather your materials: a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and optional gloves to avoid transferring skin oils. Here's what the Volvo V60 key fob looks like. It has multiple buttons for functions like lock, unlock, and trunk access. You'll need a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. This diagram shows the positive and negative sides. The positive side has a plus symbol and faces up in the fob. Step 1. Locate the key ring slot or seam on the fob. Gently pry open the back cover using your screwdriver or pry tool, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Some fobs have a release button that needs to be pressed while pulling apart. Step 2. Once open, carefully remove the old battery. Note which side is facing up. The positive side has the plus symbol. Inspect the contacts for any corrosion and clean them gently with a dry cloth if necessary. Step 3. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, matching the orientation you noted. Make sure it sits securely in the contacts to avoid loose connections. Step 4. Snap the case back together and reattach the key ring if you removed it. Test all the fob's functions by pressing the buttons to ensure lock, unlock, trunk access, and panic button work properly. Finally, dispose of the old battery responsibly according to EPA guidelines, as it's considered non-hazardous waste. If the remote doesn't work after replacing the battery, reprogramming may be required. Common issues include corrosion on contacts, battery depletion, or programming errors. First, check that the battery is fully inserted and the contacts are clean. If corrosion is present, gently clean it with a dry cloth. If that doesn't work, attempt reprogramming. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to position 2, and press the lock button on the fob repeatedly until the vehicle's lights flash. If the fob still doesn't respond after these steps, professional assistance from a dealership may be needed. Remember that a large portion of replacement failures stem from sync issues rather than the battery itself. Always check the battery yearly in humid climates.